Hello everyone, and in this video we will discuss about how to use joins in Laravel query builder. So let's start. So $post is equal to db table post, and we will get all of the post from the table and then end the query. And if we refresh the page, you can see all of the post. So now with this post, you can see we have different things, and we have the user ID, we have the category ID. So let's say we want to get the username as well. So how can we do that? So we will use the join method. So join users. So name of the user table, and then users dot user ID users dot ID is equal to post dot user ID. So in this way you can combine that. So we are saying that join the user table with the post table. And how will you join it? So you will use the user table ID and join it with the post dot user ID. So this join will be based on these two IDs. And now let's refresh the page, and here you will see the data from the user table as well. So for example, you can see name of the user and email of the user, email verified, password, etc. All of these things. Now we need to have the category of the post as well. So how can we do that? So now let's combine the category post as well, but we don't have any data in the category table. So let's first insert some data here. So insert, and the ID will be created automatically, and the name we will write here CS, and in the select CS, and another name is, let's say, physics or whatever, and here we will write physics as well. And now let's go for it. So now two rows are inserted in the category table. So CS and physics. And now in the post table, let's change the category IDs. So here the category IDs are 1 and 2. So in the post table, here we will write 1 and 2. And now let's join the tables. So here we will write join and category. So by default, this table, the category table is plural, so categories, but now we change it to category. So here you can see the table name is category. So we will use the singular one. So category. And how will we join it? We will use the category ID with the post dot category ID. And we don't need this. So the category table will be joined by the category ID and the post dot category ID. And now let's refresh the page. And we have some error. So category. Okay, so we have spell mistake. Category. So here, and yeah. So here it's okay. And now let's refresh again, and you can see the category ID. But here now the name has been replaced by physics, and here the name has been replaced by CS. So we can see the category name but not the username. So some of these posts, some of these fields are replaced by the other fields. So for example, the name in the user table and the name in the category table, they are the same. So the username is replaced by the category name. So how to avoid that? So for that, we will use this select. Let's say we want to get all of the things from post. So post dot all, so static. So you want to get all of the things from post. So let's refresh, and now you can see everything from post table, but not anything from these two tables. So here we will say users dot name, and how will we do that? So as username. So now we should get the username by the username, or you can say author name or whatever. So you can see here now the username is Bob, and the here is also Bob because it is written by the same person. Here you can write author. Then now let's refresh the page, and now you can see this field is author. Similarly, so we just need the name of the person. Similarly, you can get the category name. So category dot name is category underscore name. So this is the category name. And let's say if you want to get this slug as well, so how can we do that? So let's go to a new line, and now let's duplicate it, and here we will write slug instead of the name. So slug, and refresh the page. So now here you can see so the title and the slug and everything, and here you can see the category and user ID, the body of the post, and then the author, and then the category name and category slug. And here the same thing as well. So now we have joined all of the tables successfully. So post, users, and category ID, and they are not replacing the fields. So we have all of the data from these fields. Now here you can apply the where condition as well. So for example, I want to do this, but only for one post that I want to find. So for example, where the post dot id is equal to 1. So we just need the post with id 1, not all of the post, but with all of this data. So now let's refresh the page, and we get the same thing, all of this data from these different tables, but only this specific post. So now let's change it to 2, and here now you will see post number 2. So now post with id 2 and that data. So in this way you can use the where condition as well. So that's all about joins. So there are some left join, right join, and some other things as well that you can see in the Laravel documentation, but that's the basic of using joins by using query builder. So that's all for this video now, and see you in the next video.